Meet your CRTX agent, the AI assistant that captures, qualifies, and books new patient leads in seconds.
Research warns that patients shop fast. Our data across thousands of practices shows nearly 80% will call the next office if they don't hear back within 5 minutes. This is known as the 5-minute golden window. Cortex is one of the only AI agents available today that responds to calls, texts, forms, emails, and web chats within 5 seconds, 24 hours a day. Here's how it works in the real world. It's Friday at 7:08 p.m. and the office just closed for the weekend. Grace takes an after-hours implant call, quotes the single implant package, offers financing, and secures a consult for next week.
I understand. We offer single implants, which could be a great solution for your missing and broken teeth. The cost for a single implant package ranges from $3,500 to $3,599, including the implant, abutment, and crown. We also have financing options to help make the cost more manageable. Would you like to schedule a free consultation to discuss your options further?
On a Saturday, when the practice lights are off, a form lands in the inbox. Grace dials the lead, confirms PPO coverage, explains the current Invisalign promotions, and texts a link to secure the appointment slot. All accomplished before the practice or its competition even turn the lights on Monday morning.
Hi there. This is Grace with Harbor Dental. Is this? I'm reaching out because you recently connected with us about dental implants or Invisalign treatment. I'd love to help by answering any questions you might have, such as what insurance we accept, how to book a consultation, or specials we have going on right now. What works best for you?
It's Sunday at 9:38 a.m. when many folks are still in bed. An early morning Facebook form triggers an instant text conversation. 2 messages later, the patient books Monday at noon. This is how your agent helps you own the 5-minute golden window when patients are won and lost. However, not every lead can be handled entirely by an agent, and this is where the software really shines for practices and their team. Here's how every new lead is managed. The instant a call, web form, or chat arrives, the command center builds a patient profile and drops every scrap of data, like call summaries and answers, into a single chronological timeline. Within seconds, your agent sends a personalized text to open the conversation. Based on the prospect's replies and the information in the timeline, the agent decides where that patient belongs. Nurturing, a qualified candidate who isn't ready to commit. Not interested, a person out of area, spam, or someone who asked to stop. Booked, the patient scheduled for a specific day and time. Practice follow-up, a patient who needs a human right now. While a patient sits in nurturing, the agent keeps working it. This is not an old-school one-size-fits-all drip campaign. We call it brain mode. An omni-channel memory that remembers every conversation. If the transcript shows price is the barrier, the follow-up might read, Dr. Morgan offers special financing. Would you like a quick payment estimate? Messages like that revive 20 to 30% of leads that would otherwise disappear. Nurturing continues until the prospect either books, requests a callback, proves unqualified, or opts out. Now, the most important stage in the command center is practice follow-up. Some patients simply need a human voice. If someone says, I have a complex medical history, can I speak to someone from the office? The agent stops all automation, flags the record, moves it into practice follow-up, and texts your treatment coordinator. From that moment, a 24-hour clock starts ticking. Miss that window, and the opportunity is almost always gone. So please follow up as quickly as possible. To summarize the 4 stages: practice follow-up, human touch required. Nurturing, agent keeps the dialogue alive. Booked, already on the calendar, not interested, disqualified, or opted out. Any profile with a fresh reply is marked by a blue dot. Click once and you're in the conversation. Let's dive into a patient profile. From the dashboard, select the patient's name. The profile you see is your single source of truth: call recording and summary, web form data, every text, every tag. You can add tags manually, implant, financing, to guide both the AI and your teammates. Need to respond? Fire off a text right from the profile. There's no app switching, no copy and paste. When you finish, tell the agent what to do next. If you missed the patient, move the record back to nurturing so the agent can re-engage. If the caller was shopping for Medicaid and you don't accept it, mark not interested. If you booked the consult, place it in booked. Clear staging keeps your pipeline clean and teaches the AI to triage even faster next time. The result? Your team stops chasing 50 cold leads and starts focusing on the handful who actually want to talk. Less friction, more bookings, and a front desk that finally has room to breathe. That's how the agent works: engage in 5 seconds, book in minutes, and reclaim every after-hours opportunity. With a CRTX agent, you can expect magic.